This is Michael Wang. Today I'm going to show you how to configure the OpenVPN client. So I'm going to show you how to connect to the VPN and how to connect to the servers I've been using in the videos. Alright, first we need to download the software. It's called OpenVPN. I'll just search OpenVPN download. So I'm gonna download for Windows. So okay, I'm gonna just put it here. Just open. Just next. Accept. Next. Install. Over here, so let me connect to outside network. So I'm connected to outside network. So let's see if I want to connect to the servers. So I'm not able to connect. So if I pin CentOS 06, so I'm not able to pin, so I got timed out. So now let's start let's start the OpenVPN. So I'm gonna agree. Okay. So I'm gonna select the file. So that's the file I sent you. So you can either browse. Yeah. So you can browse. So you can say this is the file I was gonna send to you in the email. So this is the file attached. So you save that, and so you're gonna import this file. Just say OK, and your username is your email address. Okay, you can save your password. Okay. Okay, so try to connect after import. Connect. So let's see. Okay, so we connected. Okay, so then if I'm trying to connect to my server again, so now I'm able to connect. So I'm gonna use so this is the user account. I'm gonna send you. This is a Linux account on CentOS 06. So this is my account. So I'm gonna input my password. So I'm able to connect. So if I'm ping here, so you can say I'm able to ping. So one thing you need to do, so you need to put an entry on the host file. Okay, so the entry is here. So if you navigate to C drive or Windows, and you go to System 32, and then drivers, etc. There is a host file. So if I open this file, so I have some entries. So you need to put an entry here that CentOS 06. So the IP address CentOS 06. In that way, you just need to type CentOS 06. It's automatically pointing to this IP address. So note, this file so if you might get a error say you don't have permission, but you need to right click and check properties, you click security. So you want to give yourself, so this is me, so you're gonna give yourself some so you click edit, you're gonna give yourself the permission to edit this file. So after that you're gonna save that, so in that way you can save this file, otherwise you might get some permission issue. Okay, another thing is so now you're able to connect. So when you do the exercises, okay, so after you connect, you can close this window. So this is the OpenVPN is still running on the background. So if you click it, the window will appear. Okay. So if you are using the mobile Xterm, like what I'm using, so if you type xclock, you're gonna pop a window. So it's pop up this window. I'm gonna close that. So if you are following the videos, so we're gonna do some installations. One of the steps is install the JDK. So we always in the video we always install to here. So you can see that it's already installed. So what you can do is you can install the JDK to a different folder. So you can go to your home folder. Let's see. So when you go to your home folder, it's likely empty. So you can install. Let's say we're gonna install the JDK here. So the JDK is just installed here. You can create a soft link. So when we install the WebLogic, so in the videos we always install here. So it depends on which product you're installing. Let's say you're installing SOA. In the video we install to SOA 12214. But so if you are doing the exercise, so you can you can specify say something like SOA your username. Let's say. So I'm gonna call it SOA my username. So in that way, you if like a lot of people is doing the installations here, installing the same product, so you can know that that's yours. So another thing is when you run the RCU, it asks you to specify the prefix. So in the video we always say like something dev. So if we're installing SOA, it's a SOA dev. So you can call it SOA your username again. So in that way, so you're not conflicting with other people. Port. So if you so you can go to the configuration config folder to check the port other people using. So, or you can just say, you can just check when you do the installation. You can just check what port is being taken. So, if somebody has the product is already running, so you will see their port is running. So you just do next stat. You're gonna, let's say I wanna see if this port is being used. I'm gonna just grab this port. So returning nothing means this port is not being used. I can go ahead to use that because some of the ports in the videos are default. If multiple people are working on the same server at the same time, so a port might already been taken. So you can check. You can use netstat to check. So if any port is been taken, it's been occupied. So another way to check the port, if the port is being used, you go to the domain folder. So let's say if I want to go to the server domain, so the port will be in this folder, config. So it will be in this file, the config.xml. So to check the port, I'll just grab port config.xml. So it will show some port. So that's another way you're gonna check if the port been used. But usually if the port is not currently running, so you can go ahead to take it. So we also have the exercise how to modify the port after you create the domain. So if some port is taken, so you can modify the port at the time you create the domain or after.